Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming to you today to show you this new apartment rental we have at 196 Fairmont Ave, Unit 2. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the 2nd floor in Worcester, Mass. And I'm just going to be going around and trying to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place I can just from the video. And just pointing out some of the things that do come with this apartment that make it stand out and be a really nice option if you're looking for an apartment in Worcester. So starting off, this is the living room. It is a kind of double parlor room setup, although it's been opened up to be fully open concept. So you end up with this really long, almost like loft style living room. And it's a really big area in here. You could fit multiple sectional couches and entertainment system. And it's fully equipped with all the outlets and everything. It's got a gas parlor heater here, so you got gas parlor heating in this room and in the kitchen. And lots of light, so you got 6 different windows with all the blinds. Coming off the living room is the first bedroom. And all the bedrooms in here, when you look at this and other 3 bedrooms in Worcester, this is a nice sized bedroom. So this is the whole first bedroom over here. You got 2 big windows with the blinds. It's got a closet as well that has storage, and these rooms have pretty big closets in the other rooms too. So you got the room over there. Nice built-in cabinets and drawers too here. And we just had the deep cleaning, so all the cabinets and everything have just been cleaned. You have these drawers over here too. So this is the kitchen. These are new vinyl floors. So you got new vinyl floors in here and in the bedrooms. And the vinyls look really great. You've got the vinyls looking at the gas stove, gas parlor heater. These are brand, actually, I'm not sure if they're brand new, but they're new, gas fixes, gas appliances. And, it's a big size kitchen. So you got the 2 windows. Also, we kept a lot of the wood trim that's been here, and it gives a nice feel to the kitchen. Looks great with the different kinds of wood in here. You have almost like a backsplash behind the stove that looks like this, so it's a textured finish on the wall. And I didn't even really turn many of the lights in here on, because you can kind of see without them with all the light that's coming in. And the kitchen is kind of how you get to the rest of the apartment, all the other rooms in it. So this is the bathroom. So you got a closet over here, and the vinyl floors. You get the toilet, you get the sink, mirror. Looking at the window blind over here too. This is a freshly reglazed toilet and shower walls. So this is it's almost like having a new shower toilet, because the finish is brand new. No shower is taken in this finish basically. And then you can kind of see the how everything else looks new too, because you got new paint on the walls, things like that, and the fresh thing with the toilet too. And coming off the kitchen is the pantry too. So you got this washer machine. And just make sure you refer to the listing as to whether or not this is going to come as inventory in the apartment. It might just be something that's offered, but not necessarily as part of the rental. This is the pantry. So you got freshly painted cabinets throughout, new countertop, new sink bin, and a big window over there too. Then looking on this is the 2nd bedroom. And just like the first one, it's got a good amount of space in here. And on this side, you can see deep closets. And nice finish with the paint too. And finally, we have this, which is a 3rd bedroom. It might be the smallest out of all 3, but I still wouldn't say that it's a small bedroom. Even this one and the other 2 are definitely big enough for like a queen size bed and a desk/dresser setup. And that's going to be it for the rental at 196 Fairmont Unit 2. If you have any questions about this or any of our other listings, you can go to nexuswor.com and you can go to our for rent page. It's going to have the full list of our vacancies there. And there will be an option to reach out to the listing agent for each of the listings. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.